What's up, y'all? Justzay here, back here on the pickup, and today we got a super duper special unboxing. If you've been following me on IG, then you notice I've been dropping leaks, well, early sneak peeks of what this shoe is going to be, and luckily this shoe looks exactly like the picture, so I'm definitely excited to show you guys what we got. And the shoe I'm referring to today is a pair of Air Zoom Pegasus 41, so let's get into it. Alright, so what exactly does 140 get you? You're going to get a shoe like this. That's a combination of two techs into one. I don't know if you guys saw, as soon as I opened the box, you saw the branding of the Nike ReactX as well as the branding of the Air Zoom. And that's what you're going to get. You'll get two in one. You're going to have Nike ReactX at the midsole as well as at the heel. You're going to have the Zoom X. This shoe offers a little bit of reflectability, reflective properties right here, reflective right here, and then reflective right here. You have Nike branding at the top, at the front of the shoe. You have Nike Pegasus right here, Nike branding right here. At the bottom you have Nike branding as well. You also have this little logo right here. This lets you know that this shoe has been recycled. Well, a large portion of the shoe has been recycled. And then you're gonna have the waffle inspired rubber sole, which is great for traction and flexibility. This shoe is great because I enjoyed how breathable this shoe is. They upgraded the upper mesh in comparison to the previous runners. Now this shoe is labeled as a white, dusty cactus, glacier blue, and black. This is going to be the glacier blue. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like hints of like a baby blue, well, a glacier blue. And then right here you have the dusty cactus is what they're calling it, this blue right here. Then you have the whites, and of course you have the black. I thoroughly enjoy this colorway. I didn't at first, but it has grown on me. All right, real quick, I just want to show you guys a few little things I didn't notice until I actually tried these on. If you look right here, you're gonna see the Pegasus wing, which is super duper cool. This is like a soft plastic, it's not metal, which is perfect because this will probably hurt your feet after a while if you tie these up tight. And then on the other side, if you guys look, try to focus in, boom, you see Peg XLI. That in Roman numerals translates to 41, and that's because these are the Pegasus 41s. Oh, while we're here, look at this. You guys see that? Do you guys see the blue that's in the laces? They put glacier blue in the laces right here, and then they snuck it in the knitting. You guys can see through that. So we can focus in. Amazing, amazing. So as I was telling you guys, glacier blue, dusty cactus, black and white. Who is this shoe for? As I was telling you guys, this is the shoe for a person who's actually going to run in their shoes. You can still wear these casually, but this is a great shoe to actually run in and walk in casually. Now, is this the most responsive pair of shoes Nike put out? No, not in the slightest. The champion is still the Invincible 3s. This shoe right here is extremely comfortable. Now it's not as stylish, but style is subjective, but this is extremely responsive, such an extreme responsive shoe. That's why I enjoy these. These were 180, of course. These are 140, so you pay a little bit more depending on what your goal is. If your goal is comfort and responsiveness, this is what you want to do. But if you want like a hybrid that's a mix where you can actually run in and then wear casually and still be stylish, this is the shoe you want to go with. So without any hesitation, would I buy these again? Yeah, 140 for sure. If I saw these for less than 140, I would double up on them. So, fitting wise, you can wear your true size, but they also offer wide sizing, which is great. But if you can't get your size in the wide, go half a size up. I'm a 10.5. These fit fine. All right, so as far as being to slip these shoes on, this is unlaced. Can you slip these on with no hands? Yep. Now laced, can you slip these on with no hands? Yes, but you're gonna have to adjust these, most likely, depending on where you start in the laces. Now, as far as taking these off, no hands,
No problem.
All right, real quick, guys. First things first, I want to say thank you for watching this video as well as other videos. Thank you for those that are subscribed. We will be introducing a monthly membership soon. Outside of that, the nature of this video is I want to let you guys know that I am aware that, as well as YouTube is aware, there's an issue with the comments. Some people's comments are being deleted, even if they are following the guidelines. It sucks because even if I catch it and I reply back, usually I reply back in that same hour. If I reply back, my reply gets deleted as well. YouTube is aware of it. Hopefully they get it fixed. So I don't want you guys to ever think that I'm ignoring your comments. So if you post something and then you see it's not there, it's not me, it's YouTube, try to post it again. If it goes away again, just hit me up on IG, because I'm always down to debate and I'm always down for sneaker talk. And I do a few Tesla videos. I'm always down for Tesla talk too. So just hit me up on IG if for whatever reason it's not working on YouTube. In the meantime, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.